you live in the Midwest, you know that today's vehicles are exposed to a number of environmental conditions. Road salt is perhaps the worst. It can ultimately result in heavy rust and corrosion on the underbody. Oftentimes, that means cars that come into your shop for exhaust work have clamps and other components that are literally rusted on. On this 2010 Chevrolet truck, this bolt can't be removed manually. Our expert technician is going to show you how to use a blowtorch to cut off the old clamp and replace it with a new Torca SEC clamp. Once the torch is hot enough from the right combination of oxygen and acetylene, hold it steady just an inch or so away from the clamp. Let the metal heat up and then use the oxygen to make a clean cut through the clamp. If it still feels stuck after cutting through the metal, you can try using a rubber mallet to knock it off. That way you don't damage the pipe that it rests on. Take the pipe apart and put the new clamp in place and then reattach it. Be sure it's centered where the manufacturer's clamp was so you get the best fit. And always use a premium OE quality clamp like NORMA SEC clamp. After the clamp is placed, it's ready to be tightened. Check the manufacturer's recommendation for the ideal torque setting. Finally, check to make sure it's secure and there's no signs of any leaks. For more tips and information, visit NORMA online at normaamericasds.com.